Hello, welcome to my Sunday Front. Today I have a haul. So I know it's just morning and I had filmed earlier, but I decided to go and have some breakfast. So with breakfast, like I was like, well, I kind of like want to go on a little walk and then go get something maybe to munch on later. So priorities. And so I went and I got myself, you can see the 2 for $3. Y'all all asked to see it. The 2 for $3. You see that? It's a hash brown and a sausage McMuffin. And I always get a water. You can see I didn't order a drink. I always get a water, and it's exactly $3. So, like, I don't know what to tell you guys. Y'all always say, oh no, there has to be more. No, 2 for $3 is 2 for $3. And, you know what I'm saying? It's a good deal. It's a good breakfast. If you don't go crazy out there, you'll get somewhere in your nutrition. I mean, I'm not trying to be really strict on my nutrition, I'm just trying to be normal. But like here, for example, this is sparkling water, more sparkling water, mint Oreos, peanut butter and jelly trail mix. Those Ritz crackers? I got some store brand, and then I got moon pie. That's for my mom though. To be honest, I mean, I do eat them, don't get me wrong. So here, and I'll break it down for you. So I accidentally ripped this bag open, but the first thing is these. These are store brand sparkling water. This is grapefruit flavor, and I haven't tried them, but I didn't even know they made them. So here, these are on sale. It's a, let's see, 8-pack for 35 cents. Regular price $3.49 or 2 for $6. So I saved $3.14. And I also got these San Pellegrino. This is the orange flavor, the blood orange. And here's the box in case you want a reference. And you can see here that those came out to 73 cents. The regular price is $7.29. And so I saved $6.56. And let's see, I think the next one is the Oreos, and this is a small little, just, I haven't tried these yet, so kind of like want to try them. So here we have the mint chip flavor cream Oreos, which is not like regular mint. This is mint chip, so it has chocolate in it. It's like the same as ice cream mint chip. So this came out to 63 cents. Regular price $6.29. I saved $5.66. And then of course, those round crackers. These are like the Ritz crackers, right? So no, those didn't come out. These came out, the trail mix. The trail mix came out next. It's a peanut butter and jelly mix, and it came out to 69 cents. It's a regular price of 99 cents, or for $3. My savings was 30 cents. And then came the round crackers. So these, and they were on sale for 33 cents. The regular price is $3.29, which is pretty good. and the savings was $2.96. So then the moon pies. The moon pies, these, you can see. And these are mini moon pies. These are not regular ones. The snack cakes are $1.25. So you get 6 minis for $1.25. And so that was a good deal. And I think, let's see, it says right here the total savings. What does it say? My Walgreens savings 30 cents. Store advertised savings $18.32. My subtotal was $3.98, and then I paid $4 out and 4 cents. Here I saved $1.28, and of course I paid $3. So I paid a total of $7.04 for breakfast and snack food. These are not really bad for you at all. And so, like, you know, everything at moderation. Like I said, I walked to the store, so I don't feel bad at all. It's supposed to get up to like 97 degrees here. And so, I mean, I'm pretty much happy, you know, with my morning shopping, my morning outing. Pretty good deals out there. You just got to watch out for them and, you know, pick and choose wisely. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon on the next one. My son de Frump. Bye-bye.